From previous video, you know basics about AWS global infrastructure and high availability. Now, let's have a question. Why AWS is maintaining multiple availability zones in a single region? Let's pick a region in India. Let's say I want to pick the Mumbai region. Let's say I want to pick Mumbai region. In Mumbai region, I have greater than or equals to two availability zones are present, and in each availability zone, what I am having data centers are present. Greater than or equals to one data center is at least one, or greater than or equals to one data center must be present in each availability zone. Now the question is, why AWS is maintaining these many availability zones in a single region? So for that, so what are these availability zones contain? They contain data centers only, right? Yeah. So they contain data centers only. So can I say this question in different format as, is it needed to maintain? Is it needed to maintain many data centers? In availability zone 1, they have multiple data centers, and in availability zone 2, there are multiple data centers available, right? So is it needed to maintain these many data centers in a single region? The answer for this is yes. AWS need to maintain these many availability zones in a single region. Let's have a question. What happens if AWS is maintaining only one availability zone in a region? Let's say this availability zone is not present, and so on. Whatever the so on is there, those availability zones are not present. This is the single availability zone which is present at Mumbai region. Okay. Now, suddenly a disaster happened. Let's say earthquake happened. Due to that, all my data centers which are present in this availability zone got destroyed, got damaged. What does it leads to? It leads to downtime. That means unavailability of all my servers which are present in these data centers. So due to unavailability of all servers present in this data center leads to unavailability of this availability zone. So can I say this region becomes unavailable now? Yeah. So to provide high availability, what AWS need to maintain? AWS need to maintain multiple availability zones. That is greater than or equals to two availability zones in a single region. In a single region, AWS need to maintain greater than or equals to two availability zones. In this case, if due to earthquake or some natural disaster, if any one of the availability zone will got damaged also, the other availability zones can able to provide the availability and services. So that's why AWS need to maintain multiple availability zones. So the answer is yes. If data centers in one availability zone fails, it leads to fail the whole availability zone. For providing high availability, it is required to maintain more than or equals to two availability zones in a region. So that's why AWS is maintaining greater than or equals to two availability zones in a region. I hope you understood this interview question. So if you like the video, please like it. Please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. I hope you understood this video. Thanks for watching. See you back in the next video. Until then, bye bye.